Typically, the primer application on the toilet seat follows the principle of sealing first, then leveling. After sanding in the previous step, the surface of a molded wooden seat is covered with microscopic pores. If the top coat is applied directly, the lacquer will be absorbed unevenly, which can easily lead to defects such as unevenness, pinholes, or bubbles. Therefore, a primer is applied first to form a dense, uniform sealing transition layer. This primer offers excellent adhesion, effectively serving as a bridge to bond the wooden substrate with the outer top coat. The sanded and polished toilet seat lids are now being manually hung onto the conveyor line by experienced workers. Each time a lid is hung, it undergoes an inspection to ensure no primer defects remain on its surface. Once on the hooks, the lids move along the line and enter the floor line one by one, awaiting spray coating. The distance between the hooks directly affects product quality. Closer spacing increases output, but if the items are too near each other, the electrostatic field can compromise primer adhesion. Conversely, excessive spacing reduces efficiency. Siona factory, with over 40 years of experience in manufacturing wooden products, operates as a large-scale facility serving numerous global brands. It ensures an optimal balance between spraying quality and efficiency. Additionally, electrostatic spraying demands a highly clean environment, as even a speck of dust can cause defects in the top coat. Therefore, before entering the spray booth, the products pass through ionized air dust removal to eliminate dust particles attracted by static during sanding. Meanwhile, the spraying area is kept under positive pressure to prevent external contaminants from entering. The Plima not only enhances paint adhesion, but its dense film formation also effectively blocks moisture, significantly improving the moisture resistance of the toilet seat. At the same time, it improves antibacterial and mold-resistant properties, further ensuring product quality. At our Siona factory, we employ an electrostatic spraying process, which greatly boosts efficiency compared to traditional air spraying. We also opt for more environmentally friendly low VOC Prima materials, reducing emissions of volatile organic compounds such as benzene-based substances by over 40% during production and noticeably lowering residual benzene compounds in finished products. By relying on automated spraying lines, the paint film coverage is more uniform and stable, thereby meeting customers' stringent requirements for consistency and quality control in large volume production. The Prima spraying adopts a dual-gun symmetrical layout, one gun exclusively for the front and one for the back. Both spray guns operate with an up and down reciprocating motion, superimposed to form a figure-8-like three-dimensional trajectory. This method ensures uniform paint film thickness across all areas of the toilet seat. By precisely controlling the paint volume and spray angle, engineers significantly reduce overspray and rebounding paint mist, increasing paint utilization by 15% to 25% compared to manual spraying. This full wrap spraying process maximizes paint efficiency. The spray booth is also equipped with a dedicated waste gas recovery unit, efficiently capturing volatile organic compounds such as benzene-based substances to significantly reduce environmental impact. After spraying, the seat enters a heating zone for rapid pre-curing, then gradually rises to a constant temperature sealing area to complete final film curing under natural temperature control conditions. Siona has been dedicated toilet seat spraying for over 40 years, continuously meeting global customers' high standards for environmental performance. About hundreds of toilet seat manufacturers in China, only a handful simultaneously comply with EUDR regulations, VOC limit standards, and FSC certification. Siona consistently remains among them, serving as a quality supplier for mainstream brands in multiple countries.